So you go to the gas station, you pull up to get some gas, you park, you press the button to open the gas door, and it doesn't open. Now what do? Do you know what to do if your gas door doesn't want to open after you press the button? Then watch this video. Hi you guys, welcome back. And if you're new to my channel, I would like to take the time out to say welcome and hope to see you again and again. It doesn't matter what kind of car you have. If you have a push button gas door opener or even on the remote on your keys and your gas door doesn't open, you need to know how to open your gas door before it's too late. I've seen people with cars like mine and other car owners stranded at a gas station not knowing what to do when they press the button for the gas door to open and it doesn't open. Rather than opening your hood and trying to figure out what fuse burnt out, there's a quicker way that you can open that door without having any technical experience. This is really simple. I'm really surprised a lot of people don't know this, but here you go. If this hasn't happened to you, it'll happen to you one day, and this is what you do. You press the button once, nothing happens. You press the button again, nothing happens again. This time you press the button, you hold it down, and again nothing happens. So now you press the button multiple times, and still nothing happens. Now rather than calling a tow truck or calling a friend or relative, this is what you do. Okay, let's go to the gas door. Whatever you do, do not do this. I have seen people do this, oh my god. And after they tear up their door, I show them what to do and they just get so embarrassed. Instead, you want to go to the trunk, open up your trunk, and on the driver's side, you'll notice a little wire sticking out and it has a little handle on the end. See what it says? What you're going to do now is you're going to pull that handle. Once you pull it, the door should open. There you have it. Now you know the secret. All cars that have an automatic door opener for your gas fill, they all have some kind of a wire to pull and it's usually labeled. So don't wait at the last minute to try and figure out where it's at. Take the time out and look in your trunk and find out where that pull cord is at.